Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually have a special guest that's gonna help me get this blue color right here, and I think he struggled a lot, but I'll let him tell his story at the end when everything's done. But today I actually used a different product other than the Carol color. I know that I really like their brand, but they were actually all sold out with this whole coronavirus stuff. So I heard a lot of good things about the Arctic Fox hair dye, so I decided to try them out. I wanted to do black, but for some reason black was sold out, which I think is kind of crazy. So I went with the Azul Pastel, which is Periwinkle, which is this one right here. And this is the color I got. So if you want to learn how we got this done, then keep on watching. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Roll it.
I thought this was gonna fall. You good?
I think so.
Aquí estamos pintándole el cabello a mi esposa.
I usually do the introduction when like my hair is done.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Can I do that? That's like the fun part. Like
Okay.
all of it?
I mean, I don't think we'll need all of it. I think that should be enough.
That's it?
Yeah, I think that should be enough. If we need more, we can put some more. And then I'll keep this here.
It smells like Play-Doh or something.
What color do you think is gonna turn out?
Blue? No?
Could be. Do you want me to help you separate the hair, or?
Yeah. You separate the hair.
Okay. Are you nervous?
I'm nervous for you.
You're not gonna mess it up. It's not like you're gonna bleach it or anything.
No promises.
You won't. There's no bleach on that. Now, this is my first time actually trying this brand. I've tried the other ones, and I know how the other ones work, but I don't really know how this one's gonna work.
So what color is this?
That color you see.
This color?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You weren't kidding. Alright.
I'm not kidding. I'm not. This is the color.
Do I start?
Yep, I can hold this for you.
Alright. Is that good?
Yeah. Do you know how to do it?
Nope.
So I would just separate,
Separate what?
like.
I just
And then
paint
I'll
this?
go up. No, you grab the thinner side.
Oh wow.
And then
This right here?
Yeah, and you just go all over the hair. I'm a little scared because I can't really see what you're doing.
Hey, I can see what I'm doing and I'm scared. What if it hits your clothes or something? Is that okay?
What?
If it hits your clothes?
Yeah, that's fine. It'll wash off.
Okay.
Yeah, you're fine.
Alright, I think I'm done here.
Is it all in there?
I mean, it's...
I can see blonde. If you can see blonde,
Really?
yeah. So you can like, you don't
This
have to
doesn't take
grab
forever.
so much hair. Like, you can literally like toss it like in the midsection of that area, right? And then drop the brush over here in the bowl, and then just like massage the product.
Gotcha. Alright. I think we're done
I
here.
feel like we're kind of cheating because I'm telling you how to do
Well, I mean... I don't know how this would happen otherwise.
it.
Now what?
Now you do the entire head.
What do I do with this?
You just drop it. Oh, babe! Now you separate another part of that chunk.
So what's the point of grabbing this whole chunk if we're just gonna keep separating?
I should have another mariposa to keep like clipping it, but I don't. That's what I'm using my. Those are our dogs, guys.
Our dogs are having a fight right now.
Sorry.
Or a disagreement.
You know what? I think they're like sugar high. Because I gave them the ice cream.
You gave them the ice cream?
Yeah. And I think you were playing video games because they were like actually like talking to each other downstairs.
That's right. No, I did hear them. Did you give them like one each?
No, just one per. You'll be fine. Wish I could see what you're doing.
Babe, this is a bad idea. I'll tell you right now. I'll tell you right now, this is not a good idea.
So like whenever I have canas and stuff in the future,
This is what we gotta do.
like this is what you gotta do to cover my canas. That's if I don't go bald. I think I'll go bald.
Babe, this is a bad idea. I don't know what I'm doing back here.
Wish I had a mirror.
I added more hair.
You did too much hair?
No, I added more hair just now.
Yeah, that's fine. And you just keep doing that. Let me see if I can see it with my phone.
It's such a weird feeling.
It's gooey, chewy.
I don't know about Jewy, but
I don't even know what chewy is. I think I just made up a word. It's like gooey, right?
it's weird. Like then your hair just clumps up together.
Okay, hairstylist. With those movements.
Like
Do that flick in the wrist.
Flicking the wrist.
My husband's actually doing a YouTube.
It's actually the floor. It's actually the carpet, not the wall.
Whoops. Good thing it's going away.
Gotta need more of this gooey stuff.
Alright.
Alright, how's it looking? Good looking?
It's
Is that
looking
a
good.
thing?
It's looking good.
Now the other side.
Oh my god.
Does the other side look like that?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. This is gonna be the end of the world. This color looks so like dreamy.
What do you mean dreamy?
Like so like dreamy. Like the color that you see in like cartoons and shit. vegan.
Is it really?
Yeah, they don't test on animals. It doesn't have any alcohol, no ammonia. So like if you get a black one, your mom can actually wear it. Sin maltratarse su cabello. No tiene peróxido, no tiene nada. And it's vegan, not tested on baby animals.
That's always good.
I love it when products are vegan. Are you kidding me? Animals are just like us.
We might run out of that stuff. Sorry. It's not bad though.
I don't think it is. You're getting tired.
No. I love it too, man. I don't know how you're gonna look at this blue hair.
Looks sexy as fuck. What you mean?
You're right. You're right.
I'll be looking cute. Can I just go like this?
What was that?
Oh, I thought I was gonna scare you.
All right, I missed a lot of stuff back here. Get some milk.
Get it.
I think so, babe. This is as good as it's gonna get.
I think you did a good job. No, for real. I think you're gonna do a good job.
We'll see.
We're good?
Yeah, I think so.
All right, team. We're gonna wait 30 minutes and we'll come back with the final results. Thank you, babe. Love you.
I love you, baby. We shall see. We shall see.
It's gonna be good. If not, it's fine. It'll come off.
Alright.
So this is the final look, guys, and I know I didn't introduce my husband at the beginning, but this is my beautiful, handsome husband, Gary.
What's going on, guys?
My favorite hairstylist, I think, so far.
I don't know about that.
What do you think? Do you think it turned out good? I think you did really good.
I do like it, actually. I like
your
it.
Props.
I mean, I feel like if we had more product,
Uh-huh.
it actually could have been better. Because I still do see a lot of blonde.
Yeah, me too.
And I think the blue could be a lot darker.
Darker.
Right.
Like that.
But I mean,
like the color of the bottle. Like
right.
this color is
Right.
insane, guys.
It's almost a purple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it didn't like.
But
with the
you
pink,
almost got
it
like
went
this
like super pink.
Right. But I like this like gray kind of look that you got
Yeah?
going on. Yeah.
Do you like it?
It's pretty dope.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so happy you like it. I think you did amazing. I really appreciate you being on my channel.
Ya tú sabes.
You have to start. What would be our next video? You want to do like the hot
chip.
challenge?
We'll do the hot chip.
What about like a mukbang? Would you guys want to see like a mukbang? You don't want to eat a lot?
Not after seeing.
Yeah, I think I'll get the runs after that. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see more videos with my husband and my babies, please let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. You're doing good.
That's pretty dope.